Yo, 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 yo. Oh, apparently I got a new subscriber in between not streaming. That's not happened for a while. But that's because I haven't streamed so much in a long time. Tell your mum I said hi. Okay, let's test everything. I've implemented some fun stuff. Well, I've started to do a little bit. Yeah, that might need to just go there. Sweet. Maybe we can do that. I've got a new error. Can you imagine? Which actually I've fixed. I'm just gonna pilgrims.obj.obj. The file name is wrong. I've typed it wrong as well. It's pilgrim. But now, oh, wait a minute. That's really interesting. But new bugs. Maybe I typed something by mistake. I wonder if it was that. Could it have been that? I guess that I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, it was that. It's fixed. So this is a pilgrim lady. If I put her at the scene at the origin, here she is. Let's go to models. Let's get rid of the grid. So basically now we are, when we import something, we have a viewer. So these are the textures that we have in the engine. So soon, at the minute, you just click instantiate at camera, and wherever the camera is, you'll get another one and another. So that you've got all the functionality. That's all you need. They're disappearing because of the projection matrix distance, because this is a huge model, as you can see. Look at it. It takes me ages to walk. This is like flying. So the projection matrix doesn't draw us too far. But soon we'll do it so we can just drag in. But we have the functionality all working behind the scenes, basically. And then models can go there, and then inspector. Oh, and also, I think I did it off stream as well, the shader. So now we changed how we, well, it's just for shader debugging, basically. So you can take the textures off, you can see if the normals are working. This is your light, so if I rotate homie, you'll see the lighting. Then you can just put textures only on. Textures with light. She's yellow because she's been clipped. It's ambient lighting, diffuse lighting. So if your normals are wrong, she will look crazy, but she looks all good. Debugging. Oh, and this can go here. Will that be consistent when I move it back? Kind of no. How about now? Okay, so my ray's gone bad, which is the line when you click into the scene. I think it was generating 2. Yeah, the blue one. Have I done? So I'm trying to work out what I've changed, which might impact this. Can you see? Yeah. There's main, by the way. We always need to see main. That's my homie. So I want to know what I've added. So we've added a new shader, right? But this shader shouldn't impact how we're drawing. Render asset. So I'm asking myself, what have I changed in one new bit of code that's throwing off the ray pick? Asset preview shader. Did I assign the wrong shader? Probably not. Okay. Have I changed something that might have brought back, oops, the ray visualization error? It's drawing two lines again. I know what I would do. Where's the draw function here? Draw model. So I'll just stop drawing the model a minute. I don't think that will fix it. If that fixes it, it might be something to do with vertices. I don't think that can fix it. The shader might fix it. It's gone, but it might come back in when I draw my homie. So we have the texture buffer, but we're not drawing her. See, what this does is it just draws a, oh wait, was that? Yeah, we're getting different lines now. I think. Blue and yellow line. Render asset thumbnail. So we're going to take this function out altogether. ChatGPT will probably know why it's going cray. So let's just return a minute. But I don't want to ask ChatGPT. I want to kind of think for myself right now. I'm losing my voice. You know, I wasn't going to stream tonight. I've been working, but I didn't stream. And then I just watched somebody streaming, and I was like, let's stream. It was a good stream. I chose stream over sleep. It's 4 AM here. Error in asset missing end child. Oh. Well, let's see if the array's still giving me a problem on it. Yeah, it is. Did you see the blue ray? I think it only comes when I've selected something else. Let me fix this other bug. Oh, it should be break, right? Because it was returning from the function, which is not what you put in a loop. Yeah, I know. Let's see if ChatGPT fixes it for me. So I don't think it's related to the new code. I really don't. Let's just make sure that's drawing again. I need to get a few more object files as well, a few more models to import. So it's rendering okay again. It also only does this error when I click. So if I do one click and then move, it will draw the yellow ray. If I click an object, it will draw a blue ray through it. I hate saying blue ray. And also from just a random location. But the yellow line is still accurate. a color. Equalize a vector 4. Let's see the skills of this AI. Yeah, I would say that, yeah. It's an assistant for sure. How about you? And welcome to the chat. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes before the algorithm brings me some good viewers like yourself. Okay, in the meantime, let me debug. Not there, not there, not there, not there. Over there, over there. Was it add layout? Vertex P color. ×2, wait a minute. I use it as an assistant, so yeah, it discovered you from the For You page. Yeah, thank you for the beard, love. Yeah, I think once the stream's live for a bit, it starts showing people on the algorithm. I think the most people I had is like 20 or something. In a given moment. It was getting quite busy, but then I didn't stream for a while. Or didn't code for a while. This might be irrelevant because I think we change it later. What would you say you use it for as an assistant? Is it coding stuff? Also, is the music too loud over the mic? Might be this. This is if... Oh no, that's if the gizmo's being dragged. Wait, why is it going crazy all of a sudden? Sometimes, yeah, I think I accidentally deleted something. Sometimes you accidentally touch a button. I use Claude more, but is it? What's the one that's just gone crazy? Is that Claude Code? Opus? Is that Claude? Now that line's drawing no matter what. It's actually the yellow line that we want. So this is at a line 11. Let's see if there's another. Wait, Geo draw there, and Geo draw there. Yeah, Opus seems to be. I go on X a lot. There's a lot of politics on there, but I follow mostly tech stuff. Never coded. I think it's at the stage now where it doesn't matter. AI is that good as far as C++. If you do like 3 months of it and then you're fine. You get to the same level as you are with your own language. But I think you just learn slower now. You progress faster, but you learn slower because you don't have to retain as much. Okay, I think I'm drawing twice here, like a crackhead. Oh wait, what function is that? Yeah. So what yeah, I agree. It depends. Those two percentages, they've changed a lot in the last 6 months, probably more than in the previous year. I saw Elon, somebody was bigging up Grok, saying it beats everybody at everything. Grok 4.2 just came out. And Elon replied and says, yeah, yes, but not Opus, not Claude. He said they've done something really good, if maybe you saw it. I thought that was honest. It's a shame. It'd be good to have some title competition. So ChatGPT just agreed I'm drawing like a crackhead. So ChatGPT's come far as well. Why am I drawing twice? Probably I copied and pasted some new code. Or not probably. Wait, and is that before I even buy in the shader? Ugh, no wonder it's off. Let's try that. I'm gonna beat the AI. That'll be the first time. That's interesting. Now I'm not getting any raise. Let's have a closer look. Oh, I didn't send the data. Yeah, so there's is it called Codex or is it just called Code on ChatGPT? I think that's the same thing. It's not as good. There we go. I fixed the ray. I beat the AI. I can code. I can code. I want my token back. I want to stop it. Actually, I logged in on ChatGPT yesterday into my GitHub, but I think it wouldn't take my password. Or I logged in onto Google and it created a new GitHub because apparently I didn't register my Git with Gmail. So then when I signed out, it just signed me out of ChatGPT as well. Excuse me. So I did try to go on the journey. Yeah, I fixed the code. Sometimes you fix a bug and then you don't really test it because it's an easy bug to fix. And then I moved on and then I was like, wait a minute. Is that bug from yesterday? I'm on a laptop in slow mode because I'm just not set up at the minute. And so I don't know if the stream's a bit slow. I think I didn't test it thoroughly. So it's the yellow line that we're looking at, just the raycasting, which is accurate. But when I was clicking an object, so not just clicking into the scene, but when I selected a selectable, it was then drawing 2 rays. But I didn't test that because why would I? And then the next day I realized. Okay, so this is the latest, a bit of a texture import, a model importer. So we was already yesterday importing models. I fixed textures yesterday. I sort of feel like I have to say from this voice in the back of my head, ChatGPT fixed it. And that's okay because that's the same as going to Google or Stack Overflow. But because it takes longer, you tend to remember it, but now you don't. So now every 3 bugs you fix, you remember one, you learn one thing, instead of spending an hour on one bug back in the day, and you learn a lot. And I feel to myself like if I'm gonna make a game engine for a year, it might have took 3 years. I'm gonna learn so much anyway, so it's not really, it doesn't matter. I don't have a schedule actually, a few people have asked, but I've just got back to streaming in the last 7 days, and I think I've streamed every night, usually a bit earlier than this, and I normally finish at this time. I don't know your time zone. Yeah. I'm pretty consistent once I'm going. I got stuck on animation last time and I was in a hostile country. So I just... Okay, I need to fix that now, the projection. But yeah, as I was saying, we did importing 2 days ago, then we added textures yesterday. I think that's because I'm looking too high. And then today we added the visualizer on the left. But there's this bug with the names. You can't have the same name. And then I want to add the drag feature as well. That'll be cool. Yeah, let's look at that. Yeah, appreciate it. I think you just click the alarm bell button, right? Okay, let's send. Actually, I need to light this as well. If this model here, the top one. Let me show you what it actually looks like. Obviously, it doesn't have any textures. I've just loaded that at the world origin, which is what here. If I put wireframe on, then this is the model. But of course, in the top left, you wouldn't know because there's no render option. If it doesn't have textures, it just gives you I guess the model without light, which is this, but from the back. Normals are nice. Where is it? So what are you working on at the minute? It's amazing actually, I don't think it ever replied to that question. Did I hit stop? Let's see, yeah, it's just stop there. Fix the reboot. Yeah, actually, I do have a function where we're doing, is it white? Yeah, white texture. I think the cubes take a white texture by default because they don't have a texture. But it might be, there's something, let's just render the car. I think there might be something in the shader. So these are all white. I think this is the white texture you're referring to here, all these cubes. Let me, there we are. So it's loaded white in the world. So I think what we've got, do you know what? I was just watching a stream and this woman was like really chill and she didn't rush, and it made me realize I need to just chill out on stream. Because normally I just try to code and not really talk. And then I get like too much, I don't know, too worked up. But she gave me permission to chill. So yeah, what we are gonna do, I think it's a shader issue. Swift, yeah, I think I can guess. But if you've got the math of a data scientist, then your code potential is probably higher than you think. You probably hear this a lot. And I learned Python after C++. I went with C++ first, and I'm self-taught really, because my uni came around when COVID did, so I just everyone dropped out. But I did some Python and it was so much easier than C++. Like it felt like just fun. Obviously it's more of a AI tool than C++. But if you put the time in, it's probably not necessary, but you could excel quite far in C++. I think it just looks, when you look at C++, you're like, oh, this person's intelligent. And it kind of gives you that feeling yourself, like you feel that you're working at a high level. But it's just syntax. How you feel watching someone on C++ is probably how someone who cannot code looks at somebody coding Python. But we all know it's an illusion. It's just color and syntax. Unless I meet some chick and she's like, oh, you must be intelligent. And I'm like, whoa. I ain't got much else. Maybe a beard as well. Yeah. I think anytime somebody like pays a compliment to coding, I always want to tell them they should try it. if you're average at maths, you can code for sure. If you're good at maths, you can be a very good coder. But that's just opinion. Okay, so we're gonna put this shader in. Where is it? Fragment. Bedtime story. So it's like gone 4 AM here. I just went for a walk for like 2 hours. Came home peaceful, ready for bed. And then when I saw someone streaming, I just thought, I'm in the mood to stream, but it's just gonna throw out my sleep pattern. If I bring the mic here, then I don't have to break my back. Okay, where's this white texture? Why would that keep going? Is it because the window's small? Maybe. Oh man, fall back to. Guide me on using my white texture for models without textures, since some are pure black in the thumbnail viewer. We can use the tint, but I'd rather the white texture bound. Working on a game engine. Sorry for a bit of a delay there. So who's watching the stream but procrastinating from something they should be doing? It just means it's my turn to not procrastinate. I will soon. Me. Look, even people who haven't spoke are like, yeah, that's me. Software's little bro. Got a bug to squash, but it can wait. Yeah, there's a bug on YouTube. I saw if you send somebody $100 on a live stream, it actually sends you 200 back to yourself. Okay, I guess I'm gonna fix this by myself because ChatGPT is not going to. That is so annoying. I can't click. Why is it disappearing? Oh, is it that? Yeah, Visual Studio, I have the font size is a bit off at the minute. I changed it manually earlier when the screen was really far away. So Solution Explorer font is a bit too big. I guess it's good for the stream. But the theme is cyberpunk, like a cyberpunk theme. Let's see what Cyberpunk Classic is like. I should put my laptop on performance mode and give it some juice. That fixed it. Yeah, the theme didn't change there. What else did I get? Is that it? Blue. This is going to be bad. Blue extra contrast. I don't know why it's telling me this, because I'm already... Yeah, look at that. I feel like I just lost 10 IQ points going back to classic mode. I'm going to leave this on now. Apple keyboard of Windows PC. Is it bad? It's probably not. They do make good devices. See what just dark is like. Now I feel like I just aged 10 years, like boring bloke in a shirt, white shirt and a black tie. Cyberpunk. Am I new? No, I'm not new, but it doesn't mean I'm good. Draw model. Draw mesh. Yeah, we have the fallback texture here. Oh, this is staying on now. So far, let's have a little look. Actually, so I was working on this for about a year, and I started again less than 10 days ago because it was one of my first projects, one of my first large projects. Just went straight into a game engine instead of a game, as you do. And then 1 year down the line, and I've done maybe 100 streams, I just knew the foundations were just too messy, so I had IMG UI. I'm good. So if you go back to a video from 6 months ago, there's a video on the channel. Hit subscribe. That just, I don't know the title, but it's like a demonstration of all the features in the engine, and I go through like 20 different features. And there's just IMGUI things everywhere. Let me just pull it up. I'll pull it up. And you just see how messy it is. But it was fun as well. Sweet. Good to have you, Bill Sender. Good night, good morning. Okay, so this is my old. Well, give me a large screen. This is the old engine. So this was, it had terrain generation with textures. There's the textures with fog in the background. I forgot about fog. I miss this little engine. Can you see the state of all those windows? But what I'm doing there is I'm switching modes, and the green is allowing me to change the vertices, so it's like manual, like here, manually editing the terrain. So it generates it from noise, so it's completely randomly generated. You have some variables, but then you can switch modes like this, and I'm turning the things up and down, and there you go, it's done it in real time. Unreal Engine 7 is what I had basically. But I guess there's a lot of different features I'm demonstrating. This was probably textures and a bit of shaded water. It's more obvious when I move around. So I've just started this engine again basically. So these IMGUI things here were that was rotating the models. So it was all messy, but I just knew I'd learned how to do a lot, but it was time to start again and put it in a form, basically. Oh, this was light sources, so there's a light source here. I can put like 100 lights into a scene. They didn't interact with the terrain, they was on different shaders, but when I import a model like the car, it would interact with all the models. Text. So we had text on the screen. Wireframe. Time of day. I bet there was another 20 features, but it was breaking basically. So obviously this one's just a bit more organized, but it's only 1 week in. Yeah. And obviously I'm rendering into a scene. So instead of the actual full application, we just have a scene now, like a proper editor. And I think even changing that would have been like really stressful. Yeah, I do recommend OOP, but I don't necessarily know. Like there might be other approaches. I don't know if ECS is still considered OOP. I guess it's both. I'm doing a game engine for the guy who asked, or the girl. Oh, Deepak. Nice. I saw some videos of somebody using Raylib. It might have been today. I've not used it, but I think I know that I should be, maybe. Yeah. Do you use render doc? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was for OpenGL. By the way, chat, because there's been like 40, 50 people in, if you send me a thumbs up, the algorithm will favor me. Or even a thumbs down, the algorithm will favor me, because it's engagement. I'm a one file C guy, yeah. I know a lot of women who like one file C guys. That could be a good channel name, the one file C guy. A bit niche though. Get your model, draw call. I think I'd rather work this out myself. Or maybe I'm not past. I know the problem already. Prepare to witness the solution. What was that file I was just working on? Was it main? Where's the loop at? Yeah, this is the problem here. And that 0 was the texture, right? We have app.white text. Sweet. I'm keeping that token to myself. No AI is taking that. So what we're solving is for those that just joined, when we import this is typoed, when we import this pilgrim lady, she draws here, and then we obviously import the model if we want to, but this is the preview I was working on. But now if I bring the car in, the Bugatti, the Bugatti doesn't have any textures, so it's just pure black. You can't see anything when it comes on the side. But I have a white texture, which is like a blank texture. And we're open. It now lets us see. There it is. So what I think is happening is I think it's working, and I think that is the back of the model. Yeah, all the extra stuff here. So that might be your age bracket, I've just been guessing, but I don't want to throw out any ageism. So if I bring in another texture, another model without textures, let's see if we can see it from the front. No, it's just white again. Yeah. And that's actually, like if I load that in, it's actually working. So it is, this bottom one here is showing this cottage, but it's showing it from that angle, more or less. You see, but that's the model. So that's still not a solution. Shout out Bill. Shout out Bill's daughter. C++. Yeah, C is like old school, but it's like it's the source, isn't it? It's the language. But that's probably how people would look at C++ coders now, the same. Okay, let's get an opinion from ChatGPT. Oh, don't give me that bug. Yeah, we've got a bug on. What's the best way to import it? I guess they're just stupid models, really. Let me download a model. Free OBJ. I mean, I wouldn't use any of these models in a game because, I mean, if you'd use the house, you would delete the plane anyway. So I want to be practical. Maybe it's not such a bug. Looking for a few models now. They all seem to have textures. Let's get the tree, low poly tree. I've had this before. Okay. Sorry, bear with me. And it's called low tree dot. Yeah, similar kind of problem. I guess I need some sort of light on the scene as well. There's the tree. Also, the wireframe mode, the lines are too thick, I've just realized. light do we have? Oh, okay, so we already have those. Out UVs. I must already have that, right? No. We don't need world space. That's what it's going to tell me. I don't need to do the whole thing because of world space. So what are you all procrastinating? Yeah. See what maths it did for the position. Geoposition. Sorry. Transform normal into world space properly. So now it's dark on her after the cottage. So it's ruined her. And I wonder if we took the texture out. There's no tint. That was some epic grammar errors. So we should be able to see her now. Yeah, there's a bit of light as well, you can see it on the edge. Yeah, so there's light on this scene. It's not helpful for that one, but probably help with the tree. There's the yeah, so you can sort of see the cottage there, and was it low tree, low poly? There you go. Yeah, so that was just pure black. And are they all upside down, or is it just random? Okay, that's interesting. So there's different reasons you might want to tint the thumbnails, like maybe if it's an item that's used in the world somewhere, then you might want a box around it or a little colour just to say you're already using this or whatever. Let's get another model. I downloaded another model. What was it? Okay, that's a wild file name. But let's render this one. It's called Tree1. Yeah, so we can't see that, but at least we know it's working. And I wonder why it's not giving us textures. there's textures with it, but the MTL file, so an MTL file, let me bring it on screen. This tells async what to do with different vertices, but it's only got materials and not a path for the textures, so it needs to be fixed, which I'm guessing if you open the Blender file it's fixed in there, and it might need to be saved again. But you can see how making the game and the engine is difficult, because it's not just as straightforward as downloading some like free textures, free objects. You got to kind of fix them all for your engine. Which I think is a good argument for making your own models, and they're just ready. But then it's going to take time as well. So this is the model. Let's have a look at the render view. So that's what it should be. So yeah, now let me delete that piece of crap. Hey Hassan, welcome, nice to meet you. Export to an OBJ. I want to save it with textures. What about FBX? How to focus when you have to do code. Focus is a muscle that you have to train. So my suggestion is it's good to watch somebody streaming. It keeps you motivated because it's like your friend is there with you, like you're doing it together. And then maybe have 15 minutes break of fun, playing a game, doom scrolling, something completely different, eating. Every hour just do something for 15 minutes. And make a list of like the bugs you're fixing or whatever, and every time you do something, you tick it and you feel good. Hack your brain to get your dopamine. So celebrate the small victories. But then you just have to do that. You have to just choose to do that. And after a while, it gets easier. If you make progress. If you get stuck for ages, go do something different. Go fix a different bug. But everybody is different, you know. I'm going to ChatGPT for this because I'm not a Blender guy. My downloaded files don't have textures in the MTL, but the Blender does. You're welcome. A list is good. It's always good to have a list for many things in life. Wow, this is heavy. All this just to save some textures. I don't even know where the shader editor is. Here. I miss Blender. I used to do a little bit. But the layout here is quite different as well. Okay, that's something to fix off stream. Don't give up, Hassan. So I had 6 months off and I had 537 subscribers, and then I think I lost like 15. So I've never got to 540. And then I think like 10 people subscribed in my last day. I need one more for 540. I've never seen the 40. So today or tomorrow. And then maybe 4 months, it should be 1,000. I think 10 minutes and I'll go sleep. Don't come here for grammar or typos. We do lazy typing. What I want to do is just, when I load a model, I just want it to be a bit more flexible. So maybe to rotate the model like continually. Like this one's okay, you can see what it is, it's upside down. What was the other one? Cottage. Yeah, there needs to be something. this is the only one that's good. The problem is, whilst I'm just making the engine and not making a game, it's not really that important, because if I change the thumbnails so they're the right way round, then I would save the file, the engine, the state, so when I load it back up, it's all saved. But I'm not building yet with the engine. Lost one of the lights. Okay, so we're going to go with metadata. Okay, I'm going to leave that for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to add a button that will rotate the model, and then another button that will rotate the image or flip the image. But for now, it's not important. Let's quickly add a double click the IMGI image, and it calls a function. Draws it at camera position, the code which I already have. I just need the double click image. Draw asset. So we create a scene object. Then we get the camera position. So that needs to go in here. ID is going to be oh, do we already have an AID? Yeah. Might have broke that. Yo, nephew, what's poppin'? There we go. Now we just double click homie and she appears wherever I am. Lowtree.obj. You see that, nephew? Has your engine got a double click asset tray? Boom. Beautiful. And what else do we need? Is it tree 1? Sweet. Okay, let's get I'll send this to code. This code to the AI. Seems to work fine. There's an issue with the name displaying twice. 2x selectable for each object, but the rest is fine for now. This is a big problem. I can't click anything else. It has to come out of the box of the object. Like I'm here, I can't click that. to add the leads as well, so we can start getting things off the scene. Okay guys, good night. It's 5:30 AM. It's good to have you all. Shout out nephew. I hope you're doing your homework for uni. And good to chat to you all. Thanks for the new subscribers as well. Probably I will stream maybe like 7 hours earlier than this time tomorrow, whatever your time zone is. But maybe only like 5 hours earlier than this time. And I'll stream for longer most likely. So good night.